Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple game on Scratch. If you don't know what Scratch is, it's just a really simple coding software. You can just get it on like Google Chrome. I actually did make a pretty cool game on Scratch yesterday, so if you want to go check it out, it'd be greatly appreciated. The link is in the description. Anyway, so to make this really simple game, we're going to be making Pong, by the way. First of all, delete that cat and get the ball. So here's our ball. First thing we're going to want to do is go to motion, get a move 10 steps, change it to 15, get if on edge bounce, and get a point in direction, change that to 45. Get a forever block, and one green flag clicked. Put the one green flag clicked above the forever block, move 15 steps inside, and the if on edge bounce below the the move 15 steps, but inside the forever block. Put the pointing direction in between these two, and then when we press this, the ball will bounce all over the place. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is choose another sprite, grab a paddle, and move our paddle down here. Grab a one green flag clicked, and then mouse X, and then back to motion, a set X2, put that in there, and put the mouse X in there. So now we can move, oh, my bad, also add a forever block right there. So now when we click the green flag, we can move our paddle, but it won't make contact with the ball yet, because we haven't added that. So go back to the ball, do a one green flag clicked, and then go to control, wait 1 second, change it to 0.5, get a move 15 steps. It's going to say 10, but change it to 15, and a turn 15 degrees, make sure it's that way, change it to 180, put it above the 15 steps, and then put this right there at the very bottom, and then put it all into a forever block. So now, oh my, what is this? Oh, I did 18. My bad, guys. 1800. Okay, so now it'll just switch all over the place, and it'll go down. So what we have to do now is go to sensing, grab a touching, and then a control, and then an if blank then. So put that inside of all that, and then this inside of there. And then change that to paddle. So now it'll touch the paddle and move off of it and all that. Okay, so now go to a variable, make a variable, change it to, or just name it score. And there's our score right there. So now events, one green flag clicked, go over to here and set my variable to 0. Change my variable to score, and then sorry guys, my mic died, but anyway, put this in the very top of this, but inside the if then, which is inside the forever block. So just add this here at the very top, change this to score, make sure you've done this, and then when it hits the paddle, the score will go up. But we don't really have a way to lose. Also, when we press that, the score will go back to 0. So we're going to add a background first of all. That background is going to be blue sky 2. We're going to add another background, and actually we're going to import a background. That background will be a game over background. So make sure you download a game over background, just like a JPEG will work. Okay, so there it is, and then we're just going to crop this so that it actually works. So there, and then there we go, cropped. Go back to the, or actually no, we can just go to the backdrop code, and then go back to the ball. So now grab a when green flag clicked, switch background to switch backdrop to blue sky 2. I don't know, yeah, okay, so there. So now when we click the green flag, it'll go there. And now get a sprite, change that, or make that sprite a line. This is perfect. It's just a red line. Okay, so now go back here and do one green flag clicked, control for every block. If blank, then touching, and then change this to line. So if the ball is touching the line, then set my variable to 0, and also stop all. And also switch backdrop to game over. So make sure all of that is inside the if blank then. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And now the final thing we need to do is add a reset button. Well, first let's check if this works. So everything's working so far, and now boom, game over, and it'll be frozen, so you just press this to restart. But the thing is, when you restart, the ball will be like in that place, and it gets kind of confusing. So we're going to add a reset button. So a paint, and then a box, and I guess we can just make it purple. Add some text, and we'll make it reset. You can't see it right now because the text is also purple, so we'll just change it to just make it like white. Okay, so then make this bigger, obviously. So drag this into here, make it pretty big, and then let's just grab this whole thing, and then boom. Okay, but we're gonna have to make the whole thing smaller because it needs to fit, and then we can just plop this right here is good. It's actually, no, we'll put it a little bit. Yeah, we'll just put it there, and then let's just smush it up a little bit so it kind of fits. It's, you know what, it's fine. It doesn't look too appealing, but it's fine. So now what we have to do is add in the code, go to events, and add broadcast message 1, change message 1 to new message, make the new message say reset. So when green flag, or no, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast reset, then go to the ball and do when I receive reset, go to or actually first we need to move the ball to the middle of the screen, then grab a go to X and then a go to Y, so there, and then when we press the reset it'll go to the middle of the screen, and then do the same thing here. So when I receive reset, and then move this here, and then motion, go to, and then here. So now let's play, you know, get the score up a little bit, and then let's lose. Game over. Let's press the reset button, and then this, and it'll actually move to the correct spot. So thanks for watching, guys. That was how to make just a really simple Pong game. I will have tutorials on how to make some more complicated games on my channel, so if you're interested in that, definitely check them out. And if you enjoyed this video or it was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. Also, as I said earlier, or I don't know if I did, but if I didn't, then I made a game on Scratch that I worked pretty hard on, and I would really appreciate it if you checked it out. The link is in the description, and trust me, it's pretty fun. At least I think so. And it's definitely not as basic as this Pong game. Ooh, look, I'm almost at 30. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye.